OMG, what does she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong, cause she ratchet. I'ma take this half a picture. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter, cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. You ratchet. Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake. Let me tell you what I got, my Mr. Girl, what a baby boy. And it came with a sister. That's right, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club. In the middle of the floor, no shoes, west side. I had to get cute today. I'm gonna G's first boost today. Just baby, here's thought he'll shoot today. Tuesday, first boy to get two today. Yesterday, girl, did you get that glue today? Gonna be fit up. Yeah, move. Get out my way. I got a brand new person, brand new set. $95 for this weed plus check. Bow. Bit of thing overwatch, take me on. No red hair, this can't come off. They getting that you better than I am. What then you think you wrong?
Whatever.
My number, boy, bye. Here she go. Hey, girl. Turn around. See, girl. OMG, what does she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong.
She rich.
I'ma take this half a picture. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake. My name is Evie Waller and my girlfriends call me Kari. Pre-game we party.
Yes, I am the baddest, but you can't have this boo-boo.
Sorry, but you changes my future baby daddy. Bari, got my baby dress on. Jersey match my press on. Dream dark skin, we don't like them red balls. Pictures, new Abby got glitter. Put me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm with Team Flipball, Team Chris Brown. If he don't shut it up, then his team shut it down. I'm with Team Bad Chick, Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then his team he paying. Why that spit on me? Why spin it all on me? Yes. OMG, what do she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong.
She rich. Give me the ball.
I'ma take this half a picture. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See, you ratchet.
Boy, now with the shoes on. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
She ratchet. Maybe she look good with the leopard skin.
Think she look
Why would you
good.
get leopard skin?
No.
Okay, I got it. Your hair is a jungle.
Your hair is a jungle.
Leopard cat waves. Oh my God. What, bye?